It's our opportunity to pay our respects to our Colonel-in-Chief or Commander-in-Chief of the British Army for the last 70 years. So it's important, particularly being here in Kenya, that we get the opportunity to come together and celebrate her life as the community that she's led.
She was a symbol to all of us, a symbol not only for the Commonwealth, but also to many of us who served in the military. And as you all know, she was quite elegant, she was non-controversial.
The impact, of course, is great, because our relationships date back to time immemorial. And those of us who live in this part of Laikipia where the British troops trade have also enjoyed a long-standing relations with a beneficial developmental matters. And so we grieve together and we hope to continue cordially